Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna share and talk about a brand that I have fallen in love with. In today's age, or you can say from the past 1 year, I'm trying to change my eating habit, like food habit, as well as my lifestyle. So yeah, due to some digestive issues, I'm not sure I'm lactose intolerant or not, because I have not went and done the test for that, but definitely there was a lot of digestion issues whenever I was consuming any dairy products like lactose or like cow milk. I was like going through a very bad indigestion issue. I'm really sorry for this lighting, guys. I am trying to bear with the sun. Basically, it's going to set down. It's almost 4 p.m. and I'm just sitting opposite to the sun. Yeah. So I really apologize for that, the lighting situation. So recently, due to my issues, I'm not taking dairy products or cow milk. So I love drinking milk tea. I love drinking milk. So definitely I need some alternative. I was consuming the almond milk, but when I came across the article that how almond is really not doing any good to our mother earth, so I thought let's switch to some other milk. I'm not fond of soy milk because it has got a lot of calories. The product that we get in India, it has got a lot of calories, so I wanted to switch to oat or cashew milk. So definitely I have like when I shifted to Bangalore, I got introduced to this brand name is Goodmylk India, and I'm really in love with it. It's amazing. Their products are really amazing. They're totally vegan. I will say they sell all the vegan products, like from vegan mayo to vegan butter to vegan curd, and I really love it. I wanted to share all the products that I'm consuming from their brand, only because I have fallen in love with it. And if you guys who are not consuming any cow milk or who has the irritation due to due to the dairy products like cow milk, then you should give it a try. And also, I don't recommend drinking almond milk, not at all, because it has got a lot of harmful effect to our mother earth. So yeah, so first of all, I just want to go to their app and I want to let you know what are the products they actually sell in the market. Now going forward, I want to give a disclaimer over here, is that this video is not sponsored at all. I purchased all of these items from my money, with my money, and yeah, this is all genuine review that I'm giving over here. It's not sponsored, guys. It will be very good if they sponsor me. Yeah, I just want to point that out. But yeah, let's just enjoy this video. So first of all, they have got their oat and milk, and recently they have came out with the chocolate flavor also. Then they have got peanut curd, then they have got vegan mayonnaise, butter. Yeah, these are all the things that they are selling at this moment. I really love the milk, and no, I actually love three products: milk, their curd, and the mayonnaise. I'm a huge fan of it. So let's just begin with the video. So the first product is their milk. So they used to sell in some other packaging earlier, and they have changed it. Even they have changed the packaging of the card also. They are like I think they are trying to come up with the more affordable packaging, I guess. So they're changing it every time. So I'm using it, this Goodmylk. It's cashew and oat Goodmylk. And one thing I want to let you know, they only have the 200 ml packet. They don't have the 1 liter one. If you can sell, like you can order for the 1 liter, but they will come in the 200 ml package only. They will give you like 12 pouches of this. I usually order this one every 2 weeks because 1 liter usually goes a long way. And also one thing is that it serves two portion in one go. So the next product I want to mention is their vegan butter. I am not a huge fan of it because it's unsalted. So whenever I only use butter on my sandwiches or whenever I'm having toast, so in that case I really wanted some salty butter like the Amul butter, but yeah, I'm not consuming it. So yeah, you can go for this, but and one thing is that if you are like me who wanted a salted butter, then this is not your taste. I'm not a huge fan of this. The third product that I want to mention is their curd. Yeah, this one they have definitely changed a lot, because they used to come in a milk carton kind of a thing, and now they are coming in a jar kind of a thing. I have seen in Milky Mist also, the brand that we have in Karnataka. So that is also the Milky Mist curd also come in such kind of tub, and I think sometimes it's reusable also, the tub one. You can do a lot of thing with this tub. You can do a lot of thing with stored thing in it. I really love the tub one, and I'm a huge fan of this curd. It's a peanut curd. I'm a peanut lover. I really love peanut chutneys. I love peanut butter. I love peanut. So yeah, definitely the peanut curd is my thing, my choice, my taste. Yeah. But one thing I want to let you know about this peanut butter is that it's not curdling. I have read in their website only. I will definitely put up the link in the description box. Really runny, but it has got all the probiotic benefit in it. I'm gonna link section from their website in the description box where they have mentioned why they have not formed their curd in a curdling form, but definitely it has got a lot of taste. And if you're a person who love peanut, everything about peanut, definitely gonna love it a lot. I love it a lot. The last product that I usually purchase from their website is the Goodmylk vegan mayo. This is an amazing mayonnaise. It's an amazing mayonnaise. First of all, I really love the packaging. It's super degradable, I will say. It's recyclable. So I really love the packaging, and the mayo, it's really tasty. It's even tastier than the non-vegan mayo, I will say. It's salty, definitely it's salty. I love to have it with like varas, or whenever I will in my breakfast, if I'm cooking like appam or something like that. I really love to have these mayonnaise with it. I'm a huge fan of it. I'm a huge fan of their company. I will say it's a startup in Bangalore, and they have came out with the oat milk, which is my favorite. I know everyone will love it, because if you're on a plant-based diet, or if you are giving up on lactose or cow milk, then you are definitely gonna search for some alternative. And I don't prefer, and I don't ever recommend having almond milk. So definitely you can go and have the oat milk, and I really love it. I'm gonna link their website. You can download their app also from the Play Store, and also they deliver it in Big Basket, then vegan dukan, and also it is available in the Eco Store in HSR. So I'm a huge fan of their products, and I hope that they can come with some like fun packaging with the milk. I really prefer having a glass bottle whenever. That's my idea, I will say. They can give it in a glass bottle, and we can send it them back so that they can recycle it. And yeah, so this is all the products from their website that I'm regularly getting it. And if you want to try, I'll definitely suggest, and I will definitely recommend, have a look in their website, and you can go and have purchase over there. So yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, you all stay beautiful, and also let me know in the comments down below, have you ever tried their product or not. Yeah, bye.